What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ramdada here, and in this video I will be showing you the Flowmaster American Thunder Catback Series for the 2018 Challenger GT. Yeah, that's definitely a mouthful, but I'll show you guys some cold starts, a couple of drive-bys. I'll let you guys hear it and let me know what you guys think. So we're gonna give it a little full throttle going up a hill, let you guys hear it from the inside. It sounds good. I think that was more of the intake. He does have a K&N cold air intake installed. So it was a little combination of the air intake and the exhaust. Alright guys, so you got to hear the Flowmaster American Thunder Series. I gave you a cold start, a couple revs, some drive-bys. My impressions from inside the vehicle, I do get a slight bit more audible drone than I do in the Borla ATAC. The ATAC is very minimal. If I would rate this drone from a 1 to 10, 10 being the most drone, I would rate it about a 3 or a 4. It's a deeper tone, so you get more drone. It's just a very deep tone. It's not as loud, but it's more deep. My girlfriend actually said it sounds more of like a race car to her, which I do agree. It does give you the race car vibes, but at low RPMs it is very quiet. And since it's such a deep tone, the cold air intake actually overshadows it at very high RPMs inside the vehicle. Outside the vehicle, you get that combination of both, which I do like. So I'll leave the verdict up to you. I guess it's all up to preference. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the Flowmaster, or do you guys like the Borla more? Let me know down in the comment section. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And it's your boy DJ Ramdada. Until next time.